a common question that I get, and that question is, why are our financial trainings priced higher than other platforms? Um, and the answer is simple: value. Sure, you can find plenty of platforms, plenty of courses for a fraction of a cost. But what sets us apart is our commitment to implementation. Let me give an example. So, we all know the importance of diversifying our investment portfolio, right? How many of us actually have the practical tools to measure diversification in our real time portfolios? So, in our program, we just don't talk about diversification. We provide you with a practical tool, like this worksheet that you can see on your screen. It actually helps you measure diversification practically effectively. So, in this worksheet, you can see that we're looking at different investment portfolio investments, different kinds of investments in column C. In column D, we're writing, say, the amount that you've invested in these investments, and column E is auto calculating the percentage money that you're investing in a particular investment. So, practically, column E is actually looking at diversification. So, see, it's not just about learning concepts, it's about putting them into action. It's not lack of knowledge that is keeping you from wealth creation, it is lack of implementation of the knowledge. And that's why our programs may be priced higher, but the value that you receive is unmatched. Like once you join the program, our team sits with you one on one, helps you implement, helps you answer all your questions. Like it leaves no stone unturned. So if you're serious about taking control of your finances and you want to implement what you learn, then Women on Wealth is your place to be. We are your tribe. Are you ready to join? Jump in.